Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can change spending limit on Instagram ads. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, simply go ahead, open up your Instagram app, and from this section you're simply gonna go ahead and tap on this profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now go ahead, tap on this three horizontal line on top right corner. And from this section, you're gonna go ahead, scroll to the bottom and gonna tap on this option of orders and payments. Then you're gonna go ahead here, you will able to find the ad payment that you have been doing. Go ahead, tap on this ad payment option. Once you tapped on the ad payments, you will find the account spending limit. Once you tapped on the account spending limit, there will be an option for you to remove or change the spending limit. Once you have done that, you can go ahead, confirm the changes, and that's it. Now you can go ahead, add your transactions for here in the MetaPay section for credit card, debit card, and shipping info, and PayPal as well for the purpose. But for the ad payment section and the limit for the spending on Instagram ads, all you need to do is go ahead, tap on the ad payments and then account spending limit and change or remove according to your preference. So that's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.